What's your name? Where you from?
Hey, what's up, man? Name's Raphael Hernandez from Lolo Boulevard, Milwaukee.
What you driving, brother?
I got a 1985 Buick Regal. It was originally a hardtop, customized it to T-tops, full wrap frame, chrome suspension, 13-inch Danes, 4-pump high-low setup.
Let's get into it.
It's a street cruiser. You know, I'm always out and about on the street hitting switches.
A real lowrider. Let's have a look around here real quick.
Yep. Went with the factory pillow top interior. Just kind of keep it simple and clean.
Normally, I don't shoot the seats till the end, but the T-tops was calling me. So how long you had it?
This is a five-year build, full frame off, every nut and bolt. Pretty much made 3 G-bodies into one decent one.
Let's see that pump set up. Ooh, I like them door handles. And the gold leafing on the window is fire too.
This has a high lockup, which I'll hit the switches right now.
A high lockup, that means it sits up real high?
Pretty much.
Man, it's finally nice to see you with a car. You do so much organizing and creating, man, for the community. Thank you so much for what you do, man. I've been waiting to see you with a car for over a year. That's how busy you are, helping everybody get their events and stuff together, man.
Oh, thank you. And we'll be coming out with another one. Have a 86 Monte Carlo Super Sport, which I've been working on. Had that for about 15 plus years. Finally taken out of storage, and we'll get it out in the street pretty soon.